A good day to all of you. Today, we are creating the 19th lesson in our lesson series using Microbit. So let's begin. First, click on the plus mark at the top of the screen and open a new tab. Now type as www.makecode.com in the address bar and enter the MakeCode website. From here, click on Microbit. And now you're ready to start the project. Click on New Projects and rename this project as Project 19. Click on the Create button here. Now you're ready to start the project. Today, we are going to create a plant monitoring system using microcontrollers. For this design as well, we use the pins of microbits to provide input. A soil moisture measuring device is connected to the microbit through crocodile wires. With that, a signal is issued if required moisture is not present in the soil. So let's start creating the code. We don't need the onStart code block for this. So I right-click on the onStart code block and give delete blocks. First, let's create the necessary variables for this. In variables, after clicking the Make a Variable button, let's give the name of the variable as value and click OK. Next, in the value variable, assign the reading obtained by the humidity measuring device. For that, I drag a setValue2 code block under variables into this forever code block. Here, let's connect an analog read pin P0 code block in the advanced pins category. Temperature is an analog signal. That means not only 0 and 1, but even values in between. This is why we used the analog read code block here. If a digital signal is received, that means if only 0 and 1 are received as values, then the digital read code block can be used. Next, let's check if this humidity is below 100. If less, a signal should be issued. For that, drag an if code block in logic into this forever code block. For the condition, let's connect a code block with the smaller than sign under logic. Now here, connect the value code block in the variables, give 100 to the right side of the smaller than sign. So far, soil moisture has been assigned in the value variable. If this value is less than 100, let's play the middle C tone. I drag a play tone middle C code block under music into this if code block. Let's change the beat to 4. A pause code block under basic is dragged away from this if code block and the time is given as 5000 milliseconds. I think it would be better if the moisture level is displayed when a button A is pressed. For that, let's drag an on button A pressed code block under input here. Now, a show string code block in basics is dragged into this on button A pressed code block. Let's link the value code block under variables here. Okay, now we have finished creating the plant monitoring app. You can click the play button here and run this project with a virtual microbit. But to run this project correctly, you need to connect the microbit to your computer and run it. Not only that, but for this, a moisture measuring device is also required. The moisture measuring device can be connected to pin 0 by crocodile wires and it can measure soil moisture. If the humidity is low, a signal will be emitted. Also, by pressing button A, we can see how much moisture is there. If you made it in this way, you little ones are very talented. If you want to share this project, click on the second share button on the upper right side of the interface and click on the Publish to Share button. You can then click on Copy and share this link. To see the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the phone number Note 76 812 5244. Tell your friends also about the creation you made. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too can join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school. We are ready to provide all the guidance for that. You want to start a DP Coding Club in any school where computer labs are available? Make a request to the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So let's meet with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.